Di Ghana nkomo ne mumu happy birthday bi amase ne ma adofo. Happy birthday to Adepa wo Ghana legend ya Ashanti region. Happy birthday to you. We so Justina ba otu we CEO Justin Fashion we free brother Justice or PCFM Justice Justina and Justin Fashion. Happy birthday to you. So and command fe we do birthday Monday October 2 party. My dear brother Kofigo was say Tuesday December 17th 2019 number 2 Francis Chamante New Boy Man electoral area, please to those who live around La Paz New Boy town Akweteman, please don't forget to come out to vote on that day, especially and that day especially vote number 2 until Tuma Kufigwa, Minia Chamantiana, they say, Assembly my papa on 17th November, 17th December 2019. Now, what you mean, Ambaya Assemblyman Kufigo, no edu. Chairman Ufia say Kwame Bafo, ye Bono regional chairman of the ruling NPP and payment on a veteran como. Ye Shani Moon say deputy Bono regional chairman of the opposition NDC. Union Rikaji Babekainsa and one. Some video never be doing commodity. Mibri na chairman wa de beshase na ya bon kakra kaza chairman kwaba
mejo so
moko die
yam fast da ma ju
ase mi sha wache
ya sham kakra
ene ma be di nkomo ye 9 police and 8 fallen heroes no so e tesa no ya Supreme Court throws out contempt case against President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Baumia Angus Mahama with painful truth over NDC's neglect of the North. And Ura Isaac Adongo is accusing the government of planning to collapse NIB. Now, Chairman, Yemfa police for the no and chance here.
Madasi be ma memfa akwanya we na menche wati for. Babia wa fidi kese no kodurubia eno wahwefo. Ya ma omunyina achi. Na me firi ase no police for dey out there today. Mjidi yese eye se obi wa adwuma mu na oye adwuma na so som oguso som oman no ana se wasoma duruba bi na enipa no firi mu a eye nkai duma se ye ne de kai nipa se be ye omo wom foforo no omo ye adwuma na ombenya gidie na omo de aye den omo de aye ye nyina nim se oman mu aye tie ba bi e wo bi ya na ohia police protection because asem bi e be batokurum ba bi ya no internal security ho adwuma de enya nim se Ghana Police Service na ye den di wo leadership na yewura Dombo IGP yewura buanu da no atimi atusa na mo no se yenkai mpanfo yi sompa o de abema Ghana Police Service ne oman Ghana adepa ese yebo Ghana police for na abaso tuturu IGP na nketwa na ewom no so nyina na omo so ye adwuma atima ye den ahye omo nkuna
ncha no bi asem obi sanse we be hye afoforo se be hye omo nkuna omo timi de omo nkra to ama Ghana
no kase so hwe Ghana Police Service na ankasa kura na and even the entire security forces na wo Ghana ha no omo gidie ni se omo gina ho na omo som oman ni yi na omo wu oman hwe Ghana Police Service a omo moto ni service with integrity so what you say and service with integrity no ekọ egina ho man gidie ni sompa
o som oman no wo no kure ni kure
we no kure die mu yi entimi gidi yi se omo moto no ene swai omo so swai se bambofo no wo adwuma no ma yes na nche wo beti enye nne ananse enora na start ye ebinum afaso a ahwere wo mo nkwaturu dwumadie ebi akọ patrol team police for an robbers abonituo se wo fa free na no about 2 weeks ago na me wo Asempa FM na ye kan police wo ho asem so for free 2009 ebesi 2016 police for nko an robbers bo mutuo e wo man Ghana no ye mako 37 omni nyina na ya de omde som oman no na no ada ehwe na esi wo kaso a e wakra firifie na ni na no so ano baba ye obi atwetu aye den abonu akuno ne nyina ye eka adwuma no ho bie nti eduru ba bi ne se sa ne ma we no ankoso amfa nkanyan wo mo a ebasa na omo wom no akwakoye say abambuo bi yeden eba nti ye good initiative leadership na yeden Adekye na enkonkoye say ebia nipa na wu awie ye fi say benya security ebe ye adwuma pa yi a da bia meka say all the security forces yem resource wo mo say ukọ yesika sem no ena ese ye ne ye se security forces no ebetima di ye no ma ye o madwuma ye logistics na equipment o mu hia de o ma ye o madwuma ye e de so man na economy so ye den e grow ye and niama o mampanyi na nado danko akofo ado de ato na kwam no kwam wogidie se by 2022 no o man Ghana be ye o man foforo yes because kwana ebe fa so aguru economy IMF afutuo no eno mampanyi na nado danko akofo ado ye because ya afutuo o de mai 2014 na o man Ghana ya mfa nya adwuma the agri sector nyame ya adom ochena o mampanyi na nado danko akofo ado de nani kire Pualugu Upper East sa dam yetimi ye wi a ye dam eso chen ne wo Burkina Faso no
eso si Bagri Dam
no yes eso chen Bagri Dam no na hwe Bagri Dam as at 1994 o mu si o mo de 60 million ayi ne si ya dollars ne si ya o mu bia enema e say di 1994 eba na Burkina sisi ame no kasa o mu ni hwe wo ho ade a wo hwehwe Burkina o mu depend kase pa ye Bagri Dam no because apart from very good every year bia no man Ghana sika ye de fantosi e wo Burkina Faso no kwan 120 million to 150 million dollars eno na Burkina dia Bagri Dam no kwan one dam because the omayi ni ye anantwie na yini mfanchinsa the next thing ye besen no ho business ni shada nya den emfanchinsa nti the only a year emo sika de Bagri Dam no through eno enantosi cabbage ahodo mo de kwa manfoforo atwa mo hia Ghana ye ka ho bi no Cote d'Ivoire num nyina sa na tie nti etimi ye sa dam we a ema ebra 2007 ebra state of emergency course or the three northern region ebra na mampanyin kofo te so na omu bie Bagri Dam na nipa 28 na ye den ewu ye no state of emergency no report to World Bank de buy and say saade ne to obetwa esese Pualugu Dam na yeye ne yeye omu bie Bagri Dam na nsuo no nyina beba begu because ye be connect ye pipe no through omo government of Ghana no omo ye nhihye nti omu nya bie tum omu ye nya wie da na omu bie tuma e be connect na ba begu ye de enum enti adana e be hwia agu ada bia ye te ye de niam ekọ no eto oba be nti kofo tu anamo ekọ the Brazilian government omu ya ade omu tie kofo sun ehwe nipa awuo e ma ye $700 million as a 2008
say mfanye sa project enya parliamentary approval sikana babeduruye na abansesa ne baaye no eno mo yese no enye emergency project na mom ye wa kwan bi wo Eastern Corridor ho a esese ye enti the $700 million ne ye divert sikana di koko wura mu me no ka say 2016 the former chief executive Sada esane ka say sa Greek ebeye ye wo the three northern region because we woman asase na this is ayi nododie bie and ebetima ye no manya nsuo nti sade a ye revert back to the construction of the Pualugu Dam nti one of the year ba one emu na ye hu ni social media say aba emu banana do pencil local rights no ba say one all the three northern region obi ohian so 24/7 e dia do ne mo o dia ye ne cabbage o dia ye ne ntosi aburo 24/7 because say wo nsuo ho a ntambia odua aburo ye as say yasena kwakọ pesika foforo ye sa project na ne yanda vertisika ne say Eastern Corridor Road a kamnisa ba na no ka Ghana ye kọ nka ye nkra ntosi biem ye nkra emu biem to the sense druba bi kura na cabbage ye de ba ne ye ne nyina ne ntam ka se 2022 no na man economy na gere wenum ye project ya firi gadochi sky ready just about 2 weeks ago and a parliament ya bibia tumo enti o chena mampanyin dia so kwa akobofam wo ye we di grow economy na you can pay the ordinary worker
what to want to say, oh, yeah, Juma Diama or my gun and I'm a boy.
My company police public relation at the same.
Menoka say, and in so nisika because the number of people are banning or pepper.
Because open institution benefited from successive government, the police for.
Yes, Menoka says, yeah, resource woman, but the number, some more per cars. And the air patrioting cars in here, then, but Menoka say, nipa 500 be a go here, police back one. Now on never boy a home buyer, not just a still no.
500 people. One police.
One police back 1 year about 35 million Ghanaians. Actually, say, Menoka say police if one you know, or mine Ghana and you know, or moon 35,000. Or mine Ghana and you know, or moon 35,000.
Now, IGP interview me already is not only about 30,000 thereabout.
Oh, correct. Into a moon 35,000. No more never any 35 million. And Uber to my home. Said the AC then, ACT, and T, about say, economy ni guru. Na say be 100,000 police here. It's money.
How can I say Kwame the police are very attractive for single spine by are very attractive.
Oh, and attractive for some.
Say attractive and police public relation in
a bright tea, a bright tea says single spine here. You know, Menoka says still there is challenges. Say police ni a month. Young fan say a man 1,700. Or a constable, your man 1,700. None in mammy, no. Every secondary school. Now, my demission, no, me no, 4,000 Ghana. I just a police in the car. So, as soon as teacher needs so, send a mammy, no, every JSS, no mobile because secondary school. Not teacher, no man 1,700. As I said, teacher, in time, biano, ni pay repono, a cadaso. Obi a Juma or court. Obi a custom officer, your money 3,000 Ghana series. Ni mami nu every JSS. Or more secondary school. Or could you 4,000
secondary school?
Oh, some can. Young fans have Nanadu free education. Ma, I can't tell me no. Admission fee 2,000.
I say.
And your mama,
we have something in him because free education about.
Dabina me kase say ni wa.
And I wo.
And I wo. But me catch you say maybe. Tab custom officer sa court to nino so bi oya adwuma police ni anabia na katu 1,007 no ne mamie no kwa secondary school na ne tv te say so what you say economy ni ye a ukọ amanfoforo so a ebi ede kura no ukọ Germany say ya omo economy ni ya oya adwuma ede ni amaka €100 come o just say ya maka €100 no a day na bosomi no okay, can't call a year near Yamaka near the other. Yadima based on hours. Economy be a year be as now Ghana so dear, the only a year bet my survival. Yan economy no, near 5 to my 4, and Cromuye University, and Cromuye Polytechnic, and Cromuye qualified. And Cromuye JSS free education Baba Bay. A fee Namia Duma next year, the first batch in so movie June. Ye hwa ni mu se nipa 300,000 and nipa 300,000 no anya hwede nipa 295,000 dey be qualified to university and polytechnic e binsi Ghana ba kosemu da enti e ho no so double track ba ho because Ghana ba kosemu
na just a double track no muntwa mu ne
because that's the system aye betim di aboa sa nipa no se e kina bie no yeah, hwehwe say akonya bi beto ho a nipa no be qualify no wakobie and requirements na be hia no through this process for SS certificate bra for diploma bra for university degree bra na meboa na sankura we nyina tifie ni so mu ni bidia na che say o man na nye yi na ye betima ye wenum nyina nkura no mba be wie school no esese wo project wo ye projection ye den eto wonom say the next 10 years no menya nipa 3 million mo ye Ghana fo mrante ne mabaawa ba wie university ba wie polytechnic enti sa mrante ne mabaawa we no
nyumo ha mo kwa akoye
exactly na nyuma ne be wo ho no ma there is only one thing ye betimi dia ye saade ne say we grow the agri sector ne ye through that ye benya more industries. And more industry akurani be wie beba no na ni industry bia obekọ no na qualify in the field no akwa ye adwuma ye behia account officer okoho ye behia communication expert obekasa ma industry no oho o ye ready ni set ye ready when na me kan is about money see anya money ne dia we should forget it. So what you say? Enti ye good economy na sa na esese ye den. Ye no na agric sector no ye yi firi mu a enye ye. Ya agric sector e wo kroma no. Si ye ntima anye ni yi a everywhere.
And I entry methodology police for the omonjuma. Omo upgrade ya na tete de don use.
Oh me no kasa sisi I say every yi bia no. Omo ntimi nka omo nyina mom emma omo ntete ye. That is why ye share ne sa in brano no group we call because by be a ye ma omo ntete ye no kra no even kra na say ye fa the first recruiter omo ye in batches because ye fa nipa 3000 nipa 3000 ni nyina ntimi nko training school no nyere emom nti ye say oh first ayi mu nko 6 months na binum guso te sa so no omo wom ne so no ntete ye no guso ye de koso na nsen kra otimu say womo niama ne ye obeda sora nopa no na omo the information agu social media uye say na be da be ba kwana amanfo gusu di nte omo use Facebook di wia nkrofo wo ha na obi ateke wo Facebook no waje 2000 wo na obi ateke no waje 1000 na obi create Facebook account say Ghana police for tima ye hu kwana wo be detect say omo follow tuturo omo follow social media no omo timi detect hu say Facebook account we ye den e fake tuturo ye ministers ni obi owo dini bia no e wo system ye no nyina omo didi ye ubo ye na de kwame ageti adina create Facebook ni ye solicite
binya mai
ni adimi dina create ni ye solicite but then no omo tima detect ahun say o fa this particular number oba ebetuma ma say Facebook account we ye den e fake and deal with the nipanti buy and buy no ni ye den ye kwaye nim ni ya sere so say iwe nyina ne nyina akokọ wie sika me ye den me ka no ukọ wiuka nipa ba ko bi ede e de se o hye odan mu de wo nka ho na se o so be pia bontene akọ nante akọ mall akọ aba ede bia no camera no twaw 16 times.
Camera CCTV na ba mo.
CCTV camera na ebo mo light pole hu keten hu enso na etare ho.
Ni twa sa ye den.
Yes. Enentina wudi boni na wontimi nyira no. Ukọ US ya ewo ho wudi boni a wontimi nyira. Ni nyina aye sika because of so mo economy ni ye den. Eye no e no matuma ye sa niam. Boni ni de ye ni kuro bia ye so boni nyeden ensi so da boni ni de beba because de e china wo bom pae no obi so bom pae boni nti ane de ye de beba na momudi boni na wo ye da wontimi nyere enti se ha ebeduru ba bi boni ni kwaso na police fo ne namuram ehwehwe nipa no oh ye nko yi kwan te se ne ye yi akrante ye kwan no obeba be fa ho me ya chene da bi
I know your lack of resources on the part of the police.
That is why I say we num nyina no ye betima ye ne ye ne amanonofo de no aye pa ye nkote aduro mra kwa mane ahaban yo aye money say o man Ghana ha nyina CCTV camera yes government is in the process so amanatimabua
Abusha Adekye Nsroma deputy Bono regional chairman communication officer ma opposition NDC come the chairman ma mo kwa ba Eric ka unyamba
boys are break
ma mo se boys are break boys kan no ma break
anya better na
na metia
sa ompom ye share na che
me me tunka
Saturdays na night Saturdays so ya
na confusion na ambassa
got na baby kakra
ye shen commandant ye hwe police fo aban show mu kan na fadwuma mu die ne heroes ya bonura course so Tesano police training school then I say because police public deficit no he meet me so far 30,000 policemen and boy won ban nti adwuma no passion no mo ye adwuma no ana say a single spine to go police in try me come to la me yere me man no come on dey dey abatu yin
okay me da say anopa me chia UTV ahefo nyina
na memfa nche mu edru ema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Eric Manansu kakra wada
Na memfa nche mu edru ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ghana man penny dada osen abebiem. Na yen hwe Ghana for waye bi pen. Ya mana kwenya man be so mo man no fie nan. Oto ani hwe Ghana fa na bebi a ene ma pa wo ye no wo hu bi. Nti yen san ma na kwenya no omra na ni nyuma pa na no wo ye no. On san metonso because there were a lot of unfinished projects I can read. Tinano so ko Jamai South constituency a. Mampeni kodo ya Ghana for bi muso NTS wadoi. NDC for factory on so ayeso yeguso ayedo. Nti ko Jamai South a bebi omokodo ohwe bebi a community day senior high ye sidru ye. Ne bebi a na nwura na mmene na fa. Na ene ya do ate ho. Meaning say clear no bo beto so. Kwame answer na men call topic ne so no. Asem bi ha me. Kwame nti o my Ghana ye doye man na say o man no mum ne doye. And the question goes to President Akufo-Addo. Kwame, how can you tell me say what bubu baby a usi National Cathedral? Yeah, passport office na isi ho no. Ebe cost you 92 billion old Ghana cedis near the Sifofro. Kwame, does it make sense?
Sika na nso ananse there.
No. Me musa question no, but unim. Kwame. Nti Nyankopon okasa kire President Akufo-Addo no. O se Ghana ha de o te passport office nti gisi ekobubu ha dan na.
Na musa say
Kwame 92 billion old Ghana cedis. Ubusa me se sika na so. Wo bi wo.
Se me nya oman. We scan individual.
Good. 92 billion old Ghana cedis. Wealth of passport office. 9.2 million Ghana cedis current a year AD. What is really wrong in this country? So do we forecast? Do we plan before implementing a policy? Shadanya hodoa eno amehwe video no anajo. Na makuma esi apini because se betimi kwaje bosia. Ni yesi housing deficit. Ye de ba besi dan amani penya baby atena. Ni yesi dan judges team na ohwe grade gina ho na ebu dan gu. At the end of the day, just a sign pesika for to sit down, baby mom, you're the etna. And to be a yes National Cathedral. And when I yanko ponti or Ghana, and that is the question that me bisa. Because Bible Christ say, baby, a benu and abba saying share with me demon, and I'm a yanko pon me will be quite a So what is really wrong? Ghana for your bonny aya and say, Yatua Baman and Nado. Ne, ye bubu baby, see Ghana for in a National Cathedral. And you want just last week. Sector Minister saw Babo and to say and meet me in National Shrine. They are totally confused. And it saddens my heart because me share they were me take a move as a na and kwade jina kwan ho ton dog chain. Na nipa obi anopa tutu nsu ice water. Anopa kwa nipa do sen na numusuo. Bo jina kwan no ho. Na yetimi di over 92 billion Jesus. Yesre na nado. Eto da omonwe ye ho kakra. Na nya omo fort. And Rauti National Chairman Fred Blee. Also complaining Ghana ayedi and when you join this. Asempa FM. Inti Afro Barometer survey na ba yesi 59% of Ghanaians say near man kwoyi ahokyeraba no omo nyina nya join this. And Afro Barometer CDD reports na ba anopa ya 59% a yesi near man kwoyi no eslo wusu dodo na ya by 4. Inti 59% na yesi near man kwoyi no Owusu Bempabwa Ghana gas or say omo ya krom for those complaining. So clearly no eniema nkoyi and you get those in power. Instead some be kasama akoma akofom no. Omunya platform na yampia nko a. Ye be sere President Akufo-Addo. Ghana for ye no jesisi ato abama ho. Ye to ene ye jejema o se fa boy ho bra. Na Kwame unya bi ma wase ase kro no de omo ni bi. Wo ba ye hu ade papa bi a waye ene otumfo kan na ano no. Nana so when you say free education in Ghana for there to about now steady. Okay, as the last 2 months. Now we're looking to President Akufo-Addo for so he should be focused. Otumfo because himself and Penny are confused. The one near me near me Kambo clearly near man koyi. Into your best Ghana for home first. Kwame Okofa this year 2020 budget.
So I will raise the same issue.
Okofa 2020 Ghana budget I they call my shebe. Your allocation for information ministry. Amount to equivalent to 183 million Ghana cedis in the said budget. Share the staff strength of Ministry of Information Kwame. 1,720. In the said budget, almost almost the be 83 million Ghana cedis and a bit your workers in a car. And 100 million na Canada almost the video muju.
Nansa in short nyama nchedan.
Me hono de Medellande
way into ntina ma kwa.
Me ba ode Medellande na obam. Kwame. And 100 million na Ministry of Information the video muju man. And once in the same budget. What offer 6 million Ghana cedis for government communications, equivalent to 60 billion old Ghana cedis. Edia ben why more communicators are. Bonnie ben Ghana for the You see, they were more fast over Ghana for Sikano. As a Ghana for Domododo, Sana Muhuno. But you are killing businesses in the country. Most senior, what are you communicating? Okay. 2 person catch them say, one district, one factory, I swear, hono, Pierre no or Nejuman saying. Minister sorry there be other more bon with the road and also you hear 60 billion old Ghana cedis and some wabon with the road. Kwame, you see, they were more running on my no. May babuno, we babuno. The future of our nation is bleak. Very bleak because Saudi and the obi net so you can we busam so most more pens mu you know the essence of voting. Say they are by be na ben bi ko. Because near man here ya mo se anya mo kaseti aye no. Huh? Oba o repeat it. And then more formula if more or less divide until the market on so nya kwanya and na muye we and na muye na ekosi sen and until na Ghana for to abatia and say waba na Ghana for and bank worker obeda na ni ate like wadana na ni ti ade be kina wadane taxi driver because you go in a bank and the taxi driver yes my filling station and ekuani within 3 years ni koko ya tum sen 40 cedis but petrol no the Fred Rose spray ni yatum asentu ade boy yatum 10% electricity yatum. And so yatum. So what is really wrong? Your best friend another than Kwakufuado. One tenafie kakra. Make us say President Mahama Tekunyaso, almost you 2 kwando. Nanado minim say, Wabaye, or you was president to say you and so on the shehu. Every day the man is traveling. So he's not feeling the heat in the system. May I say quickly on the police matter. Ghana Police Service. And Rana me who say Mfoni Bidia him say or more Aji, you be more too, and that's fair. Their best friend is say they should let professionalism prevail. Omonye Jumani say ye babe Bogana for in our home because that is very key. Because at the end of the day, our share population now can ne o my Ghana said yes Susie and number 30 million. Ni nipa police service am say na man from kakra. This omoba no mo very professional. Ya na magidie ne
na Musa Kwame say police na enya kono biemu ana.
Oh, well, you can't say. Kwame. Untimi can say
deficit no soon.
No, enya say enya kono. Obi nya ope. Aban no ebia na ko homa bone kwan wa fa so abagete na employment of person. When say untimi mfa nipa ni na te go. Aha, nti wo fa kakra. Obi nso ba no wa fa bi. E wo ha nti na afia no bia no be hwa ye security sector no. Ye fa kakra den e de ka ho. But untimi can say enya papa. In a way, you bad not ewum. Kruma yeti police fo bebre wo ho a yenim kwan a omofa so di omodjuma enti no omo komu no omo mfa nkomu so omo kwa akosom omo my Ghana na my Ghana na ye kwa akosom no eye masudi se asundwe bo man no mu Kwame, and don't forget to say just almost 3 weeks ago minority in parliament the Interior and Defense Committee omo ba bontin say the approacher in your non fast year recruit no say enye de kakra and Kwame, it is really true and there be as me come so called presidency and your presidential guru boys connection man for nkwan de go police no no di kan afa no no ya ton slot to kra na ama no e na oko aban we mu young guys no mu no minim de omo place ka dia connection man for nkwan say police for na e ba abonten bitimi anya boda ka no kra sika ya gigi bi mu anse ye ko no enti nipa no ko nyina no ko te ne ka wo kwan no enti taxi driver anya na hwe oduru ha oje one no de tete son kakra enti process na ye di recruit security couples ni ade no we should let some sanity prevail in the system because Kwame say ye sanitizing them wa o man na ebenya ho mfaso at the end of the day me police for eni me bia me kra minimum meboa but udru baby a treatment or whatever mo could be say bi onim but every Ghanaian is a Ghanaian meboa enti say nipa na ye adwuma no na offer kwampa so and the fa no ye ne partisan interest na okọ fight at the end of the day ugina ho a eno ano no obeka ya some 3 months ago ena me am boss honorable Ahmed Ibrahim ne constituency banda omofa bien na ifo bia ye fa Wenchi constituency youth organizer as BNI officer and ye then call banda. And I need raise alarms. So what is really wrong? And then politicians, active politicians is a me kwame. No chinobe who me say me a service officer. Kwame have been about me a Ghana need do me boy. And you say ye policy immigration being near the other. Ya mo me fire manual something yede. Enko because at the end of the day brante ya me dey case study. Kwame, there's no reporter, or no baby or TSC on family by on far report in favor of no matter. Yes. The Bema by any team and then not the Beba. And to true reflection of the echo from Hono. Unreported that. And the one was a Takra Demquala and Irayan, Utimipa. Tiwa Yado Damquabe and Central Phone Shemun. Or see, we know where they are. We know where they are, and it's all security couples. Per the intel and no Magadano, Show say, Omuni Baby Anquadano. And this are you for organizer now, BNI, you district way. Or no GD or the information about tarnish the image of the government about. No. And only a compromising they do, baby. We don't get the quality now here. Because at the end of the day, yeah, Queen and the Papa Muni every show. And yes, sir, you know, be at me, I'm telling you the gospel truth. Mary KG, me police officer, I'll be the most biased person.
Politician, yeah.
No. Why do we like allow them? Allow those who are interested in that.
It so happens that your political interest will come first.
Yes, it's a fact. Unim. Now, most central folk are any digimay. Say I told about Mumubi mo. I told that. Yamunina. Mo political interest by platforms. You can't yan can't chemo.
Oh, media.
Oh, say oh dear no bameka. You see, you because obi wa. Oh, boy, Benchi, I can't be fast or no file defense, scratch and communicate or not. Say him nina. Into me catch your tea open. Yenim central for me MPP for you. We know politicians, we know them.
And you're a friend.
That is the fact. Anything I make us say, Adie Biano, ye possess sanity prevail. Ye must state institutions in Juma. Because ye police recruit, na interior ministry, control, absolute control. And boost their release to Adebakwa their chain create.
Government on the Bano appointing IGP.
Sir, Sunday man be America, I don't support it too. Come here, I don't support it.
But I say you will not support it
because you know, America I know, sir, Ghanaians are more discerning and they're becoming more discerning as well. America, the people revolt. You best sorry to say,
IGP term of office.
Let them be there.
It coincides with a particular government affair.
Share. Call police administrations is here. Now call headquarters. You will see officer hold obey Numan and Siano. Meba, Teto, you will know why more COP a block if you watch no more monkey count. Say, Ebia, Tete, you know, or no. Oko COP Kreja Amenia Domania and Oya GP friends or Pombo and Tiabani seniority. Your Pombo no senior mombat when you are Quenya say and one day you can say IGP. Police need me, I know I can say, I'm on your 4 day more than whom for a jumum dodo, a young mama and quiet pretty. Or more tenacity. No more me or mon penny for be dear muscle. I'm on what me a guide or more a bore mine home buyer. That is fair. And there will be a young and one of free police in the chief. As soon as you chief T dinner then a chief bay. We are interfering. All politicians, men can say party A and party B. But clearly, no, a ban we better not so the security 70 there. Come or more compromising the chain baby. And don't forget, none no other Ayawaso, the famous Ayawaso shootings. Look at how said their tough also say why Kofuya na share mask. Look at how they operated. The whole DSP Azugu man better now. Did you see any professionalism in him? Police if one penny for better now and the commission. Kwanya no more fast in someone. As Omocran things fall apart. Because the police officer to make a me say, can uncle for no crowd cooperation and yeah, they are. Come can you be trusting in them all times? Although we trust them in a way. So they should also back up. More politicians influence him always because at the end of the day, Ghana is the only country we have. And Ejibuma, mean two kinda. Me two kwanya kwa ni mukrum sampa na masanyamba. What I say? Many baby ako, but obi ti baby also politicians there. Ejibuma airport no na wo fa ako. Ejibuma ho na ye first place amamufo ko. Ana meboa. Enti e besre de wo so obi aya e de abotoye mu beba. Ni security couples no so agina omonanso. We should do it. Kwame, aban we better na konwa so. oko the military time omo appoint CDS na ehun bro ha nsensem abeba kroma we know all these things kwame let the seniority there no omo nyo omo adwuma se won se oko court na ebia oko law firm bia onim se seniority ye adwuma pa lawyers enketo na omo ba no omo di mpanimfo na chi som esua de efiri omo ho enti wona no kwa o se o misi ne no na me wo court me witness Dr. Puni case what him say yes indeed lawyers omo to bia e good but lawyers am kujo na odi animu no on na omo senior say what dem kire no enti clearly no what him the seniority ne be ma respect kra ba institution kro no mu enti ye ma ne nko ye security services that is why say one police patrol ekwa ejuma na the command na anajo no so no ye sergeant to say last corporal no ka say do this because of command if senior haban they will do it nti ye ma ne prevail nya fe ne atikroma na ye beti say voter region papa vi mo anya independent meanwhile we have security personnel in the country meboa they couldn't even monitor these people ultimo mo kwatran so mo agi independence like what ne ma ne bia sere what you say
I recommend that same I mean kwame
that's baby my family we now men settle records on the street ne di kan so bi kasa ne so kase I o can send be almost a momo pencil no ye bi and into omo to abati awa and then the same person say NDC do mama born ho modern nti you know ye manemra bi na nipa no nye confused
kwame nti de o can see
o say o can send be na MPP for make reference mo wo honom no mo ye bi and omo ye bi ni ntina
so mo ye bi no
enti na omo to abati a tie ni omo ye bi no nti Ghana for to abati a omo na chese na nya na meboa
of course
wa we ya de and asema me can don the man Mahama na no okọ no party office or say I made a lot of mistakes no ye no bisa Ghana for program e de koy some mistakes we bisa say yetima recover from it enti wo betna say ye bi enti omo to abatia enti yakwaka amoso mu ye bi enti omo to abatia na kyesa wo na nkasa no eni kwanse the first pre wo bie wa no kase Ghana for ma wakwanya na bra ya ma wakwanya nyeye omo kasa omo se ye mabunu na mo ye bra do ma penso no okwaje bosia se wonua babunu a wo ka ho bi nya aduma nya utu no fo enne December bi amokwaje sika e kire se ye mabunu ye kwa ho kire mu a ye nya aduma nya no omo se hode ye nti ho biem afred omo kasa amo se ye na ye ni o ye na ye den ye ento omo to na en electricity ho assemble kwa ma assemble na do ma kan also we must be ready to pay more se penkania mo ada na meboa more na ye tu enkania ne bai 28 February 2017 John Jinapo also beggars to face doom so omo face ya ka John Jinapo as a deputy power minister ko kanza asem no enuma be na egu under John Dramani Mahama ono ananum tom state of the nation address also doom so the program abreye company si omo fili Cote d'Ivoire na omo yi adwuma kofo penso nyina asa no ko omo sankoye eno no beside ono millions of billions of cities a day bia no now my Ghana industries lose $5 million a month na say mama and the can want them almost the same way and communication almost catch as a ministries no omaduma say if ye de kwakoshem say government communication a year
6 million Ghana cedis
6 million Ghana cedis 2016 regional audited account na no na board kopoku kasa wo mula tefensunya nam se mumisa no say 2016 audited account regional coordinating council one region media for mo hohoro mo nsa da de host na nkadam bisa nte ukọ program kopoku program ma usika da o se dabi Dabino Honor regional coordinating council media acquire 2.4 million. Audited account.
Brown half region.
One a year. What you say? And I didn't quite know my ya. Second interchange. Oh, Mukwako Commissioner. Kwame. Second interchange. Yeah, Commissioner. 11 million Ghana cedis can na mo boy na timi si passport office na wo company no second interchange media
11 million Ghana cedis
media ko 11 million Ghana da mo commission project no
that very day no
me catchro me ma breakdown wo ba ebeyi aba mo publish here sign we Flaster House ani ne kwame enne kitamie what you say second interchange commission media 8.5 million Ghana cedis transportation 395,000 Ghana cedis. What you say? Security 148,000. Miss Nano's expenses.
Where document be?
From the Dublin as a brand commission budget to a year for more media. And in the Kitami
11 million Ghana.
11 million Ghana. One day media Sikaya see a chamamo. I'm more than we say. Second interchange Yabaha. Kofuo Asafo interchange. Malam interchange. Tete kwase interchange num nyina e ba ye nyina no ya hu sa budget we bi wa ba beta ka say ai ena e ka hwesika ya nwene Ghana fo ho mode sika ma woyo mi no mo ne Ghana fo na kwadwene ho mode sika ma woyo mo ne Ghana fo na kwadwene ho mode sika e kwasada 320 million Ghana do ma nko age gu bag mo de koye no one Ghana fo na dwene ho on ka dia benefit ya sa sika no de bre Ghana fo e wo kuroma on ka ma entie mokwa kra mode Ghana fo sika ekwa kra ambulance ye kwa hwehwem na ye abobo ya na egu ayi army base honom no mone Ghana fo na dweno $5 million $5.5 million na ambulance no ho na do ba ya wakwa kra papa wonni Ghana fo abro no afi do ma hu se Ghana fo hia ambulance mode ya mokwa kra abobo ya aboso kai de na mode ba kurom ha na judges adan ye buaguo justice doche ni fi a otim no wo mo call lands commission na kwabena dufuo din na wom na chese mo kura na mabo pose ho mo firi so matonton eye da judge fi a otim na former finance minister ni din na wom wo lands commission eye den omo ansa justice doche ni fi a otim no wo maton ama kwabena dufuo ato eye den kajaji ne te ho no pa dakoro na na do ama nko te ho dakoro na kwabna dufo the documents abase o man lord tu enkrata ne ya tu
ene njina mubu dia ka ne
me say ho nyina ye say the national cathedral Cote d'Ivoire wo national cathedral no wo mo sisa wo de pesika ama man no and every Sunday biano the national cathedral no emo $1.5 million.
This I understand and you see biana.
Yes, me say sika wo di pesika e di ama nya asore keke. Enya asore keke. Samono mo fi say munim how to invest and now how to build the economy. Me no kata say afiasia. Ana asore programs ni nyina yakwa geda. No bia no etua 5 series ya. To the national conference ya sana Cote d'Ivoire mo ye
kwame the Ghana for can say tama sansa na ba ni entwene sene abasa no o mampani to Ghana for nim say Ghana ko bukura nkom bi
ana tie o mo nyanti ase ba da wi
ko ya say na say seed money be 10 million Ghana cedis
pacho eye da Ghana be donate e de aboa but amanfo a mo ko gina honom e ma $1 million $5 million na e do ma masika
ko from pledge ya
ti ade ne nya do ma ne na mane ho ade na enya ne na mane ho Ebra mo si mo di $14 million AC vice president fie no na Ghana for mabunuma ma omaduma eno ne de na ye priority enya ga $14 million contractor ne sika ne kura man ho ane akawuram contractor ne sika na sa man ho $14 million esi wo kuram ha and you want to come back ento mo kasa ai sa omo na ye confuse chambia ewo krom hanom just omo da sora omo dey ne say do mama is coming do mama na nim say he's not coming and it is MPP I'm telling you today MPP ya de omo press conference ehu dua na de abo NDC ya de ye aduma ya nso ya ni ade pass nipa omo de ne ba do mama because opompo obelusu olusu so e ba san bompa ye de number 2024
so any Ghana for the betchen
oh me say we are winning this election because ya am fan some project enko western region enko ka say yesi 5 polyclinic wo betina ba bi o man ko ye nsamampom ana haru na drusu wie ya obebe pa cha say wo mo ye sorry na ade na wo buku nyesa kom kɔhwɛ train akwan yɛ wɔ green book mu ne fɛ kɔhwɛ ne fɛ ɔteɛ ka sɛ project bi aka
mu say artist impression
mpacho ɔteɛ ka asa yɛ de bam ɔteɛ ka sɛ community day bi aka wuram wɔ Suma kofoɔ na yɛ drop to Suma kwana aka to Sampa no ba mu yɛ ka kyerɛ wɔ ha kan wɔ fi asa wo yɛ ya ada na ndia wo mo so sɛ kofoɔ yɛ kwan from Drobo kosi Suma wa ukurom ho fini Gadochi aka 3 kilometers to Sampa the district capital e wo bona hafo a wo mu ni kotar bisa sɛ wo mu di wura ho on confirm wo ha sɛ kofoɔ gya ho 3 kilometers no wo mu yɛ ya onka antinsam ne bi wo mu ni issue Omni issues no mo namna omo kasa okroma e na se kya se omo fi se MPP etnase e bia corruption issues no ye de ba fast e ye den wo ne ye de ba ye kan bas branding na minister no gitumu adanse ye court no court uni say afak de court me boa with documentary evidence and all resign o wie ono asan ko gina voter registration so suro so obedam me boa se ye kan wayo mi asema why you me anka say onye sika na yeda so onam Supreme Court say or part to pay by installment ayeden ye can corruption one sema e bi na gina and this wa ban let me tell you this omo opposition ya omo message ba ko ye corruption from 1992 about corruption 2008 the number 1 message our form manifesto ewom and say government official bia obeye ayi bia no wo mo mfa nyere enche no wo mba ban mu wonu muntaka e de ba esi sen wo mo ka se MPP ti so no wo ha no ma create account wo mo create se ohun bi nana ya asafo ma for account one account when way account no ma printed documents no mo de nanam TV so akoko wi a kire na Ghana for se mo se one account wa yaba mumra won ba 2009 fie ha ommo nipa ba ku di na omudi na asem edi ne tum ni amode kwa ya nyina omo ka kire mu say ye fake but MPP ya ba montima prosecute obia MPP ba ban mu wono cases ya ye kan wa say yes o sin no okokot ukokot no obi na edi ni birthday na okokot wo ukokot wo hwana na edi ni birthday okokot obi a wo say corruption ye no nke the corruption allegation kurati obi you don't go there me catch a corruption corruption allegation be almin ya chire
you say the fact say the corruption allegation doesn't mean
almost sorry Nanado to fight against corruption and Nanado fighting against corruption I fed the microphone na wo court wonum no say do agongo $106 million ye the $1 million in a ekoye forensic audit ehun sa sika no opuni dia $420 million ehun asem wo ho matro sika yemfa ma hiani wa Here ni one non fan nidra. Bona half one region. Mo tre nkrofo dini NDC constituency executive no mo tre dwamfo ma dini. Kro mo dini o mo wura market ya. Now constituency executive na je list no ma bank 9. So Sunyana market, Sampa market, Doma market, no ma jisikarom kodura sikanu nuru. One region ya audit ye no 600 million Ghana cedi. Northern region ye hu ba bia matrok sikafa. Greater Accra omo jisikano, omo so omo jama dwamfo ma sikano eni dwamfo ma ho. Asem ni wo court omo so ye ndisi ninti. Makwa akogina court wo. E kire se sankrofo na mo kogina court nkurudi ndoma hama no. Mo ba ma these are the very people you be appointed. These are the very people. Senate sika ye kan ho asem no. Asem ba na Joshua Labi be kan. Also no as a board chairman no ohun say illegal $38 million extra cost no. Enti no otwe ne ho e na Mahama dan ho procurement officer. Mahama by fourth procurement officer oti sika pampa na e na osan ye. Procurement officer e wo krom ha e koso. Asem ne na wo koto aduma fo sika a yetete wo tua bi o senate contribution that you coffee or money sika no be a catch say or the $87 million akwakoto computer mienu ni a table $87 million oni mi mabuna betuma for maduma eno no nanado ye hu aduma so mo nkokoto a o se makwakota na koto o wie ya wa be catch say o dogana mabunu o dogana mabuna $87 million akodi obi bottom illegally Then you are chasing, say, yeah, persecution, prosecution.
You come do one who say no.
Minya, omuni issue. A by issue, so I have some more kind. Say, Nana Dubai, police here. Indicting the police, say, police in Libya won't see any year, and this, that's how they talk, and they have no respect for anybody. See, some of our kind of nano pay. Say, MPP Pennyphobi, Adekye Nsroma Sika. Now, because I say I do a musical for more police, into police in automatically a cromford in a quantum Jessica. Woman Kasa, do Mama Tituomo, how to communicate, Omoko party officer, Omokasa. Say police fire form 2017-28, Omudina Kwanho Jim Crawford bribe. Who are then Anka? South your mamba pa, who are you report? Menoka say Yada Kudalokoy. What's MPP4? Near MPP4 police. Yada Kudalokoy. Kudalo, LED police team, Equasisa police forms, NDC party headquarters. Babi omusi $20 million officer no. Mo dwene Ghana fo anka mo si sada no. Mo si munya sika se social democrat no. Ese mo bisa Ghana fo say Ghana fo mo didie. Ghana fo maduma SM to say mo de kosi party of $20 million. Ehwa ena Kudalo. NDC fo nim say oye the next IGP no. Oye the next IGP no. Huh? I say ayeda police forms mo de kogu NDC headquarters. And on one quarter side, or to say, no, do quite do tone, say, or no crack on beer dear. Just say what you want. Near young for quite do nothing, and toners, or do quite do toners or no. At thou 3 years. 3 years. A drew will retire ya or Babacono. So one can hold a dear. And your young Peconian son say, you didn't, and you know, go far forms, so no, and yet that police form to Cody and this is headquarters. Masa, I'm people crying your moon, and Omuno did Omuno, I told Musrasem. Meme Kwame. Eh? Meme Kwame. And I'm me interior minister, and I'm in fa policia. Me fa policia. Oba, Mako Swansea. No Mako Bisa. No ma Bisa area, how party for na Bisa. We are this near. Don't even buy the phone. Because my yard the papa, me and me interior minister. Me na yes,
police government already any police.
Massa me say, me na me interior minister. A free show. And to so when you have some case security need to say, but when you have some no call police say the security and another say. But when you have protesting, who call demonstration, who you useless press conference, who here insulting the police. Security say and insult. Security say please. In fact, I won't solve problem here or so far as numerous press conference on my concern. Who can say police say security say or person say. Whereby who are planning our first vice chairman. Azoka on one anum come I will need FM. A black was here waje teardrum or say we send our boys there. We boys here would do Azoka him for no more. Azoka kwa mo krobenzo. Omo no tamale. Hono mo kwato aban. What is say Azoka boys hi wo makoba bi amasundua ba hoda. Da obeti so makokro bi ya so no. Na asemasi omo ye militants.
Kwame me da say.
What you say? Enti mo boys ko honom na so their security. When you crowd omo yi. The proper rehearsal, the proper one will be done in next year.
Kwame me da say. Eric.
Kwame me da say. Em say Ghana for share do so pa. Na ye kasa wi nso a omo sone so na omo yi bi. Na me kasa no say me kasa police fo ni mo adwuma ho a unim ana me boa. Me kasa even every institution bia ye wo no ye wo ni paku ahodo a ombe ye omafamu de bi mo nso de na me de mo nsentro for cry so good. And this obe inside police against ya no problem. Police fo na hwe musu ne moban. No be am betina konya so police ni mo bo no presidency. Mo wo hearts ma police. DSP and campus, Delta Force, Nessa career predators. Then I'm finding our presidency. Soldier from presidency, these are the people we are talking about. You see, Kwame, Edu baby, let sanity prevail in our debate. And Opuni Jina Court, say we are going to go near the other. Now, offer a constitution, now Article 19, first fair trial and address and bisam. Ususu be a BP. Now the new Jina Court, where for? You know all these things. So why do you make these allegations? To say you do be called court and abokrono. I hear uncle witness cross examination. I was there. Papa no team so nim dia oka. But mo ye some media try and wo kroma mo kwotena o my FM mo nim say who is Supreme Court. Mo ye allegations na tie. Anya allegations. What
are you talking about?
Kwame Okasama mem control him Okasama mem. Me say nya judgment control him Okasama mem. Anya judgment what is this? Anya judgment 20 minutes make us. Anya judgment Okasama 20 minutes make us.
Kwame udi jana me gusa.
Simple kwame me say nya judgment. Who so bi nim
Kwame Jana why?
I witness evaluation. Yeah, cross examination. Judge in the betna say no evaluation. Then you pass a judgment. You don't have that right to say it.
You know all what you are saying. You know all what you are saying. You be a coach in a court. What you have to say? Me say Kwame judge. What is this?
The same case
Kwame, you're not being
persecution. Because that mama can't say persecution. And I want to word and I say, that mama uses our word. Say a persecution. When is some more they are going through fair trial? Why the word persecution? Why? Just a moment to process and I say it means another is fighting against corruption.
Eric Johnson.
Me that's it. Kwame, honestly speaking. Okasa be 20 minutes. I was so
why 20 minutes? Who don't need time Okasa?
Kwame, please.
Oh, me starting na me kasa na obemu na won why din na me ma din na ohwe no. What do you mean? Nya wo na control program no. Ana ono no kasa na you okay? You okay with me? Let me go. What is this? Kwame asem a me kan say. Ye ka asem bi wa kan kasa mu say, wa asem di kan wo court a wo ni bem ana meboa. E na mra e ne ya hwehwe adibu o man. Enti wonsusu ye mu no nim se obi afom oman na the only place to go is court mebwa wo de Dr. Opuni court any say do agongo ye mra no nso so kire se wo de obi court a e wo so ono gitum se waye bone ansa ana mebwa nipa ne so onye bone enti wo na obe prove beyond reasonable doubt ena mu gina court na mo twe ho dare enti wo betena ha na okasa na Opuni omokofa sika se hwan na se Opuni afa obi sika. Well, you see, it's allegations.
You were talking about code where
and I'm saying now your boy be called I
didn't pass.
Your boy be called
Come just allow me complete.
Tell me pa was say Opuni over 470 million.
You see allegedly I use the word and
I say go and I'm saying if Kwame,
I use the word allegedly.
Don't do this. What is this?
I use the word allegedly.
Kwame.
Maybe you are here. We are hearing impaired. I use the word allegedly.
No. It should be unfair to use that word on you, please. Kwame.
No. What he shouldn't misquote me.
You're not being fair.
What he shouldn't misquote me.
No.
I use the word allegedly.
He's taking it in good faith. So let's move on from there.
So he shouldn't continue to do that propaganda to misquote me.
It's all right.
I also not allow that.
Eric Ngoso.
Kwame show ni entrance na am.
Eric entrance.
O mra wo aka wa na we beto aso.
The American say emra we respect the law. Internet da bi oba oye na debater na the constitutional provision na back. It is obi gina court. Now we nim die mu no susu se nipa ne difo. It's over to you. He Kwame ohun ba bi o link Opuni dem. O say obi yes allegedly $400 and something million, obi $100 million, near the $1 million HCA. Now when the catcher say crew and associate report, and the Mujina studio Punimo court. Report no time one auditor general, and audit no cast some from Muya Bikoi. Makwatna baby prepare report to me ya print bi amamo. Enti enya wanwa na wakofa paper aba and we anyway findings we near the omokwe. What we are telling them is a mobile ben mu kro no na mo bon Ghana for say yeah.
Wonyina so.
Tell me. Me. Oh, Kwame, you see.
No, I'm trying to asking a question. Don't be angry with me. Just answer my question.
And I'm saying, let me prove where. What is this?
Kwame, allow me to prove, please.
Chrono now mo bon o maba mu na ye. Because Auditor General then the findings aba. Or then the findings ne ba no say na ya was afoma $1 million can it is 50 billion. Mo se mo kwa akofa abrofo aba. Ama mo abeje investigation ya de wa abanda da mu mpanimfo atwam ko. Ne yedi boni bi ye gina report ne so prosecution. Auditor General Cho Krata at the Command Finance Ministry. Then Finance Ministry so the Krata no command senior minister, say family and friends abusuan ban and the command in your penny. Say reply omo. When you reply bi amfanko or central letter the Command Finance Ministry say Juma Kroll baba ye no my report ni bi ni nhwe. You couldn't provide any report. Na mo kwatena party office ya print report mama. Mo betena ha then you talk anyhow. te said the obi ko jina quarter obi e di o man sika yet kwame make us time am swimming flow bi o kasa now he made a lot of unfounded allegations who be saying the question
so you are talking about
he made a lot of unfounded allegations who be saying the question make a fact make a fact you are right unfounded allegations would you allow me Esteban no can be bring no croma kan me kan no croma me ka why oh can no correct who prove what to be provide to be this can prove ni man
allow him to prove himself allow him
what man prove some here
Kwame
ketase ne prayer adokrom Kwame no wa wo can be da bia I have a document with me here where Ghana web or say Abronye invoke Antoine Ma on regional minister because of ketase ne prayer ma men kan kakra say Bronga Hafo regional youth organizer. Kwame no youth organizer. Kaneno. And some be vice chairman and wabe chairman. Bronga Hafo regional youth organizer of the New Patriotic Party, popularly known as Kwame Bafo, has invoked cases on the Bronga Hafo regional minister Kwekwas Macheme. The youth activist accused him of extorting monies from chainsaw operators and traders at Doma Wood Village in the area. Abronye DC noted that the regional minister takes 7,000 per truck. Kwakwas Machireme, the regional minister, say articulate bia load enua na ogibia 7,000 Ghana cedi ogi no ne yire ne madi Kwame the kai in the same way Kwame throw petition for presidency ye nyina nim kro no na ekoso region ho ekosi sen ye no no mko attack Kwame no kra no wo ka wono anaban mu no look at what they did to you your own government because you were exposing them look at what they did to you petition no the call presidency ye man reply reminder notice no the kwen ye man reply obiaso nim se okobuna Hafo regional kwakwas match me ni sune ne ban na oda na di na enye and now me ne okasa you spoke a lot ye the number Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources another nya under the office and you see abani rosewood and so na no other see rosewood that ya transported fi Ghana over $7 million krono ne koso na no other PPA de na ba na kosi sen John Mahama na PPA boss National Youth Authority mo di over 45 billion se bo share mo de ko fix akosi sen you see corruption no mo ye ne say achede e na mo che o ma ban mu Payosena Majide Australia scandal ekosi sen but we have a president who is bold to always be clearing these people and Kwame oti UTV udi bonia Father Dixon say ma clear that is okay and you think Ghanaians are not discerning what we are telling them they say Ghana for the adwuma ma mo say monye Ghana for some more man ho ban what betina konwa so enough of the allegations and some more can and adwama ma tia konwa so and I want to tia konwa so wona tia konwa so ne sansem na mo ka kire Ghana for ne to abadi tia enti na Ghana ni na aba bonte say 59% say Ghana ya dem because we be sison ma brabo mu no ya na mo so mu nyina nya John dis no sa Ghana ni na etie me ne wa no pai because Ghana ni nim so oto nani a ohwe nkan ohun bibia John Mahama aye anya hwe circle oto nani ohun interchange anya hwe nurses na mo simu post o mo no nya afuo mu ne de o mo kọ hospitals ahodo na yesi ye no enu mu na mo de nurses no kọ University of Ghana Hospital efa nurses more than 600 Lode kuku de na mo bia no na nurses na kọ ho teacher training kwada na mo simu post o mo no oba no schools ada here na wasi de yesi ye na mo se ye nwe dan enu mu na mo de o mo kọ so Kwame the fact is aban bia ba wo ne botai enti se me ko raise se aban wa ba na o de be 92 billion old Ghana cedi so what will we be passport office now be catch them say John Mahama eko be circle interchange or the 11 million Ghana Kwame ye nkontompo na brabasem sansem na omo kan nyina ye ntro me ka asem akiro omo betena konwa so Kwame omo ya allegation ya te said omo da so opposition so ogidi sensem omo kan had no be nano a omo ye budgetary allocation of 60 billion old Ghana cedis start ya yeka unhu say na omo kan nsem we okrum ha you go and sit you concoct your own document na mo dia ba bonten na John Mahama ye say what we are telling you is that Ghana force ya tesena mu nko yie Ghana force ye bre enti die na nanado ni na busua kokofu bo aban ne ye Kwame na me ne o kasai ye security sector setup na all call link it say the NDC like they are enemies to us omo nye nipa bone ma ye state institution ye respect omo pa mo opposition no na state institution adwuma bia ne omo ya amogidi police administration always na mu accuse omo to the extent say yekoya mani kodu web okay Ghana statistical service omo the data crab abontema Dr. Baumia ka say fake and ogino mu figure so they calculate inflation ni GDP ni de keka ho these are the people we are talking about today say ane na John Gina Poko ka say energy sector then in 2017 na chese na dum so en eya mon kan okre kakra Dr. Mamudu Baumia ewo 2nd March 2017 Osema Mahama deserve no credit for ending dum so You see, omo amanyuku no kre abo mo say the Johnson abakoko. Enti na we ka we, na we yaka we. Enti wo vice president say in 2016, second match. Say we deserve no credit for ending Dumso. What here challenges say Dumso ended 2017. Ghanaians are really watching you. Yet kromwa, ye kofa Mary ba mo say ya kromfo You came to review Mary. Amani ko mu inflating over $800 million. Akromfo be na chemo. Nya Mary na pame boache jako. Dey na pame boache jako. Ye ne vet na ye se wa brabo a mo se oboa mo set a 5-member committee a mo ya miensa committee report ne dominating at the end of the day katase ne prayer na de ne kofi. So what are you talking about? Ye ne kroma Ghana card. They are fada no amuyi. Kennedy Japan so they abroad football mo so be $50 million. Mutabri Ghana for sika $1.2 billion. At the mo register we are seeing na. Mo Ghana for sika. And a munya botre.
Mamen ka message and go for the Pamedasi. Sylvester Brubi was Charles Nyame Samankasi. You can choose to get angry for Ghanaians if you think we are not angry enough. Charles General. Ni other tell me say, well, this is why our beloved country is not moving forward. Why does MVP after 3 years on still blame NDC? MVP, you've really failed Ghanaians and shame on to you. Kofi Roland Dance was say NDC has no message for Ghanaians, so they should keep quiet. Don't pay no mal. The NDC guy in your studio doesn't know what he's talking about. He isn't abreast with current analysis, and hence this is why he's behaving so. Rashid Muhammad also say, can this Ambrosia DC guy learn how to talk? He's on national TV, for God's sake. Too much noise. My eardrums are even hurting. Bright Kwaku Ibe was say, Abronya, you are lying about Cameron taking pictures 16 times. Now I know you are very, very dodo. John Neal and Teva Napoe, Tama Community 2, BBC, Deception Talk Shop, Deception Talk Shop, and Lip Service. These are 3 words to best describe the conduct of this government. We are fatigued. Every day we are. When will you hear we have government? It's a better time you do and speak the right thing to Ghanaians because we are certainly tired of you. Nana Sika Bruni, say you don't need to shout, please. We can hear you all right if you take your time to speak out whatever you want to say. Oforiata Ofori was say that NDC need free education. Seriously, just listen to him saying kids are selling water early morning on Woodside. Abba. When did he start seeing that? Kwabna Nanabotri, thank for a good job. God bless you, Ghana. God bless you, UTV. Nana Kofi Kos Jr. say, is Nanado aware that Abronia is talking for MPP? Well, Kennedy Japan said MPP for there. Dododosa. Prince Amwafu Boateng. Please tell the NDC guy to keep quiet. You have given him more time, but he's not saying anything for me to hear. Well, some people are also enjoying it. Dacha Hine Nana Kwaku Boateng. Please tell the NDC man not to bring Otumfo in his speech. Ohini didn't say MVP is confused. He never said that, so please, he should mind his speech. You see, Pulu Jallo from Barcelona. This particular man, I don't like the way he speaks, but one for Dimbia Ama. Massa, don't involve Otumfo matter in your cheap politics. Look at his 10 Ghana City shirt. Let me do the last one. Ohiniba Francis. MPP, you are solving the mess that NEC created and it shall be well with you. Ura Kuchumson Jr. Abronya good submissions. This guy is always on point. First to dance, last one I say, I just love Abronya. Okay,
Kwame, setting the record.
Kwame, now how many minutes?
No,
and this, I'm 15. And at the interjection, how many minutes?
Oh, please, don't put
No. You see,
I
say interjection, why you're not to the you
Oh, Kwame, let me
No, you see, the time you gave me.
Eric.
Fairness, now.
Your time may be different from your time.
And I'm saying, fairness must be built on the platform. That's the fact I'm telling you. Only problem, I am a person with you.
Let me give the last 5 minutes. Just allow him.
Please,
Eric, don't do that.
Allow me.
NDC
what's it done to man papa
and yes see what within 3 years
13
how many
November
kilometers of roads and Busane said
13 November 2008
how many chip compounds and
present 2009 financial estimate
how many district hospitals hospitals and almost
Salaga District Hospital, Adekye Medina District Hospital, Japa Hospital, Wa Regional Hospital, Asante Regional Hospital, Enya Parliamentary. So what you say? It is about Batman say.
Ronaldo is preparing the youth for future availability. Delano Visigosi, all he knows is shouting and making no sense. Benjamin Kuku, nothing from his mouth, only critics, not mercy. Gabriel Yamoa say, this is my boss. I am Gabriel from Ablikuma West. Maxona, so they are using our money for free. We don't know how he's talking about it. Upon the diversion of the money for the Eastern region for the
we won't allow you to rebrand that thief to Ghanaians. The rebranding of thief done the man.
Deputy Blue Regional Communication Officer Emma ruling position NDC. And I come upon a regional chairman of Bono region, Emma ruling NPP. I need to be said, I must say. We sincerely apologize for that, Mr. But Mufanche Bushi. You're from a comment, it's a production to you, Damas. Enjoy the rest of our program.